Now it's very popular to use magnetic track lights for a main lighting design. But many designers easily make mistakes in the lighting design positioning of magnetic track lights. A common practice is to have a magnetic track on both sides of the living room, thus extending the visual open space. Here I will provide feedback based on the actual situation of decoration use. I will do some lighting design analysis for you. 1. Magnetic track lights cannot be too close to the wall or the edge of a crossbeam. This is a mistake many people easily make. If it is less than 50 cm from the wall or crossbeam, using floodlights or green lights will cause wall exposure and obvious light layering. It's advised to be more than 60 cm from the wall or crossbeam, so the light transition can be smooth. 2. After keeping 60 cm from the wall, some friends raised doubts. Magnetic track lights installed just above the head, where the light shining on the head make people feel uncomfortable. At this time, if you want to adjust, you can move the track position to above the sides when sitting on the sofa, about 90 cm away from the wall. 3. The magnetic track on the TV wall and the sofa wall should be placed at a position about 90 cm from the wall. The distance from the wall for the magnetic tracks on the TV wall and the sofa wall should be symmetrical as much as possible. Combination of glare lights, spotlights, and floodlights in track lights is the most common pairing. How to combine these products to supplement space lighting? It is the most common pairing. How to match these products to supplement space lighting? When designing lighting, you need to understand the pros and cons of the matching scheme in advance and choose according to actual needs. For specific different styles of magnetic track lights and how to match them, you can watch our magnetic track series channel or click on our official website for more detailed graphical explanations. You can look at our magnetic track series channel for explanations or click on our official website for more detailed graphical explanations.